We need to think about it. No other cards are involved. Better sleep at the wheel. That would be the price. Just tell them that your father isn't well enough to talk.